back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've posted my previous videos. And sorry for the delay, just got busy. So now I'm gonna reviewing the Drunk Elephant products that I've bought from my Mecca haul. So what I've purchased from Mecca was the A-passioni retinol cream. And it has, it's this one guys. It's been used and abused. Choss. And it came with the B-hydra intensive hydration serum. There. So this products, the A-passioni retinol cream, it's vegan for brightening, exfoliating, fades pigmentation, pore minimizing, and fragrance free. The suggested use for this is to use morning or night. Apply a tea-size amount on your dry face. So this is only supposed to be used initially once or twice a week. So what I've done, guys, and I want you to learn from my mistakes, I've done it daily. Because I really struggled with my face. It's the first time I've had so much breakout, having the pimples and everything with the pigmentations. So what I did was I used it daily, and then I realized, and then I've also put it on my neck. So my neck and my face, I think, got burnt, but I'm not sure, but I think that's what happened to my face. And what I did is I stopped. But what I've read from different reviews, that you should not stop abruptly. So what I did again is I've done it every week. Gradually, my face was healed. And then I've noticed that my skin is already getting brighter. And so with this one, I've also noticed that my face really brightened, and some of the pigmentations were not really totally faded, but it lightened them down. It's just that unfortunately my pimples are there on and off. So every time it's already been fading, then it pops up again. Anyways, I'll be showing my before and after picture for this one so that you would see the differences. It's not really major difference. So the retinol is an anti-aging ingredient. I've also noticed some of my fine lines here on my forehead had been minimized. See that my face is appears smoother than before I use this one. For me, it's a must try, especially for those having breakouts. Just don't do what I've done wrong before. So initially, just start it with once or twice a week, and then for sure it will really help you. This B-hydra intensive hydration serum, it's a fast absorbing serum for dehydrated skin. So this also helped me a lot because I really have dry skin, aging skin. So this one is vegan, anti-blemish, hydrating, exfoliating, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. You will apply it to your face, neck, chest, hands, or any place you need it. But since it's only 3 ml, I only applied it on my face and neck. So my advice for those who are starting to just use this one, haven't tried any of this, I suggest that you would buy the ones that I bought. This is just a 10 ml retinol cream. It's good that the Drunk Elephant have this trial sizes for you not to waste products if ever you don't like it. If ever the product is not compatible with your skin, or it doesn't suit you, if you have sensitive skin or whatever, nice to try the trial sizes so that you won't waste money and you don't waste product. So the next ones are the Been a Long Day set. This is also a trial pack. The first one is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This one is vegan, anti-blemish, decongesting, fades pigmentation, pore minimizing, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. This is an exfoliating night serum that refines and resurfaces the skin to reveal a smooth, radiant complexion. So this one lifts away dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and fades pigmentations. But it's just too much for your skin, too much exfoliation. So what I've done before, I alternate them. So within the week, I have to use both of them. So at least maybe gap of 2 to 3 days with their retinol. Because I have sensitive skin, it's too much for me to have. So yeah, this also helped me to fade my pigmentation. And the next one is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, 10 ml. This is vegan also, hydrating, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So this helped a lot to hydrate my face because when you're having the exfoliation and your face is so dry, it's very itchy. That's what I've experienced. Your skin is very itchy, and when I apply the whipped cream, it helped my face to be hydrated. So it's a nice combination. It's a very good one, and it's a must try for those having blemishes, especially for me. And to think that I have sensitive skin and dry and aging skin, but still it helped me a lot. And this is also an award-winning rich restorative cream. So that's all for my review, guys. Bought this all from Mecca. These products are a must try, especially for those who are still searching for the perfect skincare to add to their skincare routine. It's best for you to always try the trial sizes first for you not to waste products and money. For my skin, I am sensitive, dry, and aging skin. So with these products, it helped me a lot. It may not be drastic. It took time for me to see the results. It's over a month. But, you know, patience is always a virtue. It always pays to wait and give the product time to prove itself that it's helping you. So that's all for my review, guys. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.